Good morning from Malta. I'm traveling again and I've come to the beautiful island of Malta. It's my first day here and I'm here in Sliema, and back there you see Valletta, which I just finished photographing, so first morning shoot. And yeah, I was photographing it during blue hours, so half an hour before sunrise, where I had still a dark blue sky above the city. And this is especially important if you have such weather with gray skies and there will be no colorful sunrise, or there wasn't a colorful sunrise, but during blue hour, such subjects here usually work nicely. So you have the blue sky, the orange lights of the city, and this creates a nice color contrast. And yeah, hopefully the photo turned out nice, so I'll show you now. Currently I'm finishing a time lapse, which I'm trying to do. So maybe you've already seen it in the intro, if it turned out good. And yeah, once I finished, I'd back to the hotel and see what I'm gonna do today, because the weather forecast for the next days is not so good. So many of the photos I wanted to take might not work because I need some light for this, but gonna figure out something. And also I show you a little bit more of the island. Maybe we'll also head up to Gozo. So yeah, gonna be interesting. But for now, I finish this and get back to the hotel. So see you in the next days, and hopefully I have something more to show you. So another morning here in Malta. Yesterday I did a lot of scouting, but it rained the whole day, so I had maybe 10 minutes of sun. And in those 10 minutes I was lucky enough to get a good shot, but otherwise there was not much to get. So I scouted Valletta, so I'm now in Valletta at a spot which I scouted yesterday evening. And that's a very nice view of one of the, I think you could call it famous, because I've seen some photos of this street, but taken from further up. So you have this church in the background, and then street going down and the street going up. And by using a long lens, this looks quite nice. So I came here, I have my composition exactly set up as yesterday evening, and also what was important, to find a spot where the cars could move by, so where I could leave my tripod set up. So that's important. So I'm here at this side where there's no car parking and where there's no street, which is a rarity here. Now I'm waiting a bit, so it's still half an hour till sunrise. So I'm hoping that the light will hit the top of the church. And now I'm taking a few photos with the lights of the street, and just seeing what I get. But currently it already looks nice. So hopefully it's gonna be a good photo today, and also hopefully there's gonna be some better weather than yesterday, so we can explore a bit more outside of Valletta, because it's quite frustrating if you're coming down here to flee the bad weather in Germany and then you bring it with you. So let's hope for some change. Okay, as I'm waiting for a little bit of light to show up, I thought I'd share a few tips with you for photographing here with a long lens, because I just recognized the mistake I made. So most of the long lenses, they have some kind of image stabilization, and if you're running around doing some scouting and taking photos during the day, most of the times, or at least I, have it on. So, and you don't forget to switch it off if you are back on the tripod. So yesterday evening or in the afternoon I had it on, and this morning for the first photos I forgot to switch it off. And yeah, what happens if you have it on and are on the tripod? This vibration control introduces shake, so the opposite of what you want. And all your photos will turn out a little bit blurry and lose details. So it's very important to check when you're on the tripod that this is switched off. Another thing you might be wondering was what this cloth means here. So yeah, the Canons, they don't have this automatic guard against light falling on the backside of the camera. So if you're shooting a DSLR, there can be a light coming in to the eyepiece and then through the mirror get to the sensor or something like that. So if you're shooting in a street where you have artificial light hitting your camera, you have to ward it off. And I just used this cloth, and this keeps all the light leaks at bay. And yeah, that's a very easy solution. Yeah, another thing, always check your ISO. Yesterday evening I was shooting at 1600. This morning I first forgot to turn it back to 100. So all that stuff, always have your mental checklist, go through it before every shoot. And for this, it's important not to rush. So have time planned in to set up, to check your camera settings, and yeah, then enjoy the morning, take some photos. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and still hoping for some light because the blue sky looks very nice, but I really love to see some color there. But if not today, then maybe tomorrow. Another morning here in Malta, and again you see behind me gray skies. So the whole night it was raining, also yesterday a lot of rain, much more rain than I thought I would see here in Malta. But yeah, we did a lot of exploring, not much photography though. We went to this city over there here on the hill, which is called Mdina, and it's a beautiful city, narrow alleyways, very historic town. So nice to explore. Also, I guess you could take some nice photos in there, but I decided to come to a viewpoint which I also scouted yesterday after we went to the city. We're driving around a bit, and as I explained in another video about location scouting, I pinpointed this viewpoint here on the opposite hill and thought it might have a nice view of the city, which it has. So I'm waiting for sunrise here, which I suspect will not come in many colors. So the sun should be up there and you see only a band of clouds. So I don't think it will happen. So maybe I come back tomorrow. Otherwise, I try to get a few blue hour shots again, but it's getting boring with time if you only get blue hour shots. So you can always do those. They always look quite nice, but from time to time you just want to catch some explosion in the sky, some colors, some sunrise colors, some reds. And I really need those here because the sun would light up the city quite well from the side, and this would look awesome. But for now, I just wait and see if there's some change maybe in half an hour when the sun is a little higher. So wish me luck again. And otherwise, let's see what I find in the next 2 days. So it's already the last evening here in Malta, and yeah, I really wanted to end this vlog with some colorful sunset, and I'm here at Gnechna Bay, which is the perfect spot to photograph it if there only was some light. So as usual for the last days here again, I have gray skies, but yeah, I'm already used to it. So also I think I don't get a photo today, but that's okay. I still had a great time here in Malta, and yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog now and leave you with that. If you're ever in Malta, make sure to check out the Dingli Cliffs, do some hiking there, which we did today. It's a beautiful place. Maybe have a look at Gnechna Bay, and yeah, don't miss Valletta. And yeah, we didn't make it to Gozo, which is I think also a very beautiful spot to check out. So maybe next time, but yeah, for now, gonna end this vlog, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.